Hello, and welcome to the St. John the Baptist Science Department. In addition to the normal high school science sequence of earth science, biology, chemistry, and physics in both honors and regents levels, St. John the Baptist has a wide variety of elective courses. They include our Project Lead the Way engineering program, which is open to freshmen as an elective, AP Bio, AP Chemistry, AP Physics, and AP Environmental Science, St. John's University Biology, which leads to 8 college credits from St. John's University, as well as Forensics, Marine Biology, and Anatomy and Physiology. Our science teachers are passionate about their subjects, so much so that, as you could see in these slides, many often spend their free time and vacations in related activities. Our award-winning Genesis program has encouraged students to be involved in independent science research, as well as research under the direction of various mentors from universities, science labs, and medical facilities. They have attended and done research at summer programs, including Columbia and Wake Forest Universities, Brookhaven Lab, Cold Spring Harbor Genetics Lab, and Hofstra University. Thank you for coming to our open house. We hope you are enjoying your visit, and if you have any questions about our science curriculum, please contact Sister Marie Happ, the chairperson.